Hello everybody and welcome to this week's AVARigs. My name is Wesley and, oh wait, what do? I need a makeup person. Hello everybody and welcome to this week's AVARigs. My name is Wesley, not as always, and to my left I have, well, it's always gonna be my left. You always know what's gonna be there. It's a computer. It's a PC, it's a tower this time. Maybe sometimes it's a laptop. Hey, maybe we're feeling froggy. Maybe I'll bring on a tablet one of these days. We have them all. But nonetheless, I have something here to my left and we're gonna go ahead and talk about it as always. So, sit back for like the next 3-4 minutes, however many bloopers, Brooke decides to throw in, because in reality, I only do about a minute of, talking about it. The rest is just me messing up. So, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the case in this beautiful system. So it's going to be the LIAN PC011DW. It's going to be the white edition. I really like this case. I mean, to be fair, this is the case that we see a lot of. I could tell you several cases that we see a lot of, but this one is definitely up in the list. And then we're going to go ahead and jump into the motherboard. So this is an Intel build. So this is going to the Maximus 11 Hero. This is the Wi-Fi edition as well, and in the CPU socket is going to be an i9-9900K. So the GPUs in this build are going to be two EVGA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti's. As for the memory, we are going to have 64 gigabytes of CORSAIR Vengeance DDR4 memory. This is going to be the 3200 megahertz. That's what they're clocked at. And they're the pretty white ones. I like those. I have the black ones at home. I like those though. But as for the cooler, we're going to have the NZXT Kraken X73. This is the 360 mil. This is the 360 millimeter one. This is the 360 millimeter version. So let's move on to the power supply, which you can't see, obviously. Anyways, it's the CORSAIR HX 1200. And this is a platinum, I believe. Yeah, it's an 80 plus platinum. I had to double check. Look at my reference sheet over here. Look, I'm gonna be honest, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning and I went and grabbed Brooke. I was like, Brooke, we gotta go, hurry. She's like, I haven't finished my coffee yet. I was still working on mine too, but here we are. So just bear with me, okay? All right, okay. I lost my train of thought. It'll be a horrible video. I'm old, I'm washed up. Brooke is just so mad at me right now, but that's what I do. That's what I do here. I get on Brooke's nerve. So as for fans, we are gonna have, oh man, these are the CORSAIR QL120s. They're pretty fans. They light up. They do good. That's what they tell me. They tell me they do good, so I say they do good. Me personally, I really do like the CORSAIR variant of fans. I personally really like the MLs. I just feel like they have a more modern look. I do like the MLs, but I do like the style of these. They're pretty. They light up. RGB is still a thing these days. So, yeah. So, what could you do with a system like this? Ladies and gentlemen, I tell you this every time, but going over everything in here. I mean, God, there's not a game you couldn't play with, high resolutions and frame rates that blow your hair back, all right? I mean, this computer can do a lot.
Cyberpunk.
Oh God, don't talk to me about Cyberpunk. And it got delayed again. But that was a while ago. I'm still so salty about that, all right? I should be playing this game in 2 months. I'm not. I gotta wait till November now. And everyone's like, but I want it. I need it. This year has sucked. I need that game. Got two 2080 Ti's. Beautiful gaming. A lot of gaming. And 9900K. beautiful gaming, a lot of gaming, high resolutions, high frame rates. You know, that is what you're gonna get. So looking at this, I know I tell you this every time, but long story short, there isn't much you couldn't do with this. So, you know, all the new titles coming out. I'm looking at you, Cyberpunk, in November. Woo! You're gonna be able to just cruise right through it. High, like I said, high resolutions, high frame rates. So that's enough about me, or that's enough of me repeating myself over and over and over again. So let's go ahead and roll the outro, and you know, let's get out of here. If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com.